Yo, what up, my people? My tongue. Oh, well. I'm relaxing at my house. Got my mug of water over here. Yeah, that's water in it. Oh. Damn, that's blood. Hurts. Well, anyways. Honestly, I don't really know what. But, I need to talk to you, Creative Bird Man. If you're the one that's watching, the Creative Bird, dude, I've idoled you. I've made an Uzi, man. Actually, you know what? Might as well make this review vid. Anybody that actually, knows Creative Bird, please tell him. Please share this video with him. Like, seriously, because I really need his help. I need to talk to him. And also, I want to know if he has a, channel, on a account on. Sorry, I usually record here. I didn't feel like it today. Here too. Stay there. I'll find it. Here's the Uzi itself. It's a couple years old. There. Down. Here's the clip. This thing's made out of cardboard and stuff. It used to have a working trigger. Broke it down. Trigger broke with it. This thing is made out of hot glue and cardboard. It's a lot of fun. I love this gun. I love everything that Creative does. I respect him. I respect what he does. By the way, by the time I put this up, I'm probably gonna have myself a Facebook. So, if y'all wanna get on here, talk to me on Facebook and whatnot, or on Omegle. Got a quarter here. Yeah. I respect you all like brothers and you guys were my brothers and my sisters. Y'all are the most important things to me. Y'all are amazing. But I hate to say it, but I might not always have time for my channel because I have school. I mean, you could have guessed. I mean, I'm 11 rails. Or what I do. But yeah. I guess, yeah. And by the way, on Omegle, if y'all ever talk to me, if you're on Android, or on like a phone, or tablet, or an iPad, they all connect. I've checked this out. You see my finger rolling? Yep, I did that. Now, but not on, I'll tell you if I ever do it on PC, but I don't have a PC, you see, that's the thing. I don't have it as of right now, but planning on buying one. Kinda can't though. Well, see ya.